In the last 5 years, we identified 5 providers or licensees who were involved in Medicaid in some form or fashion, which were either revoked or voluntarily surrendered their license.
5.
5.
What about the issue of when it involves local DAs, Ms. Jones? Explain to the committee about certain cases that you turn over to local district attorneys.
Most of the cases we file with local DAs are practicing dentistry without a license cases on individuals. Someone's opened up a clinic in an apartment complex and they've never had any dental training whatsoever. We will work with local DAs to investigate those and get charges filed against those. We have forwarded a few, it's been several years back, where we suspected that there may have been ownership issues, but most of those are forwarded to the Attorney General's office, not to local DAs necessarily.
Do local DAs actually prosecute these cases?
It's been difficult in the past. We have made some leeway with a few counties in Texas, but it's still not the easiest thing to get them to take those cases. We understand that it's kind of low on their priority list. Murders come first. I understand that.
So would there be a better way to process this, to expedite people that are practicing dentistry without a license?
Would have to ask an attorney that. I'm not real sure. I'll file the case with whoever they let me file the case with.
Could you get us the statistics? Could you tell us how many people were practicing without a license that are turned over to local DAs, and how many of those have been prosecuted?
I can tell you I did some stats. In the last 2 years, we turned over approximately 200 cases in 10 years of one way or another where someone was practicing dentistry without a license. To my knowledge, there's been approximately 5 who were actually convicted and had any kind of jail time issue. I think a lot of those are negotiated to a lesser charge and they plead out, which we don't necessarily get notification of that.